You guys ordered it.
There's a pizza. Ooh, they have
Just made my butt wet.
that and chicken and ham. And they have cheese. And they have stuff.
And bacon.
Okay, hold on.
And they have bacon. And they have cheese.
Put it on the edge right here along the table.
Louis and Mike, you guys have to come and eat.
Nice one.
I didn't see it.
Okay, where am I going to put this? You can go get a spoon.
Told me sit comfortably. No, I'm okay. I'm not going to sit.
John,
I freaking did that for you.
Tom, sit down. I'm not going to sit.
oh, you guys can sit on that. That's water resistant. Don't worry about it.
Come on. Another water resistant.
We were just talking about that too.
Mom.
Yes.
McCabe, how hard is insanity?
It's insane. That's what it's called, insanity. And I did it 6 times.
It's better than NPX90 thing.
Michael, John,
PS98
Louis.
is better.
Huh?
No, P90X is easier. It's made by the same people, and Insanity is meant for after you complete P90X. Yeah. So if you're trying to get out, if you're trying to start out or work out, do P90X first, and then switch to Insanity.
Michael, Louis.
Insanity is better, though, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna get her into that.
Well, yeah, it's pretty good.
Nice.